Welcome to our channel. I go by the name of Jacob Jr. So this is a breaking news for all of you. Earlier today, I made an exciting revelation of the complete destruction of Rev Obofour's IPT church in Kumasi, and I come here with an evidence of what has actually occurred inside his church in Kumasi. So yes, the next video actually shows the destruction of Reverend Obofo's church. And then with all due respect, we give the necessary recognition to GhBlast for breaking this news for us. Reverend Obofo's church is completely destroyed.
Yeah, Sinedi can kind of Rev Obofour sorry or IPT and ya bedru hoyi. We are see ya roofing seat in the body and so now my boy no go as you know. A dinosaur in a boo if any more see ya. You might be a say can try CBT Mako inside but security eye tight over there. So there's a little that we can get. Sony na jury be good him. Then we move on to this side. Yeah, when you look at this side, na the end of the so no, and then in a good former or my born in an was no, dinosaur in a panning in a good anima, saying never be brave.